So if you don't find the new heat map where you can get it in ATAS, so then you go to the dashboard here and you see here chart, watch list, smart dome, all price, bid ice tape, and then you see this one, this heat map. Click it and then you got this heat map. There's some settings you can handle here: bubbles, volume, heat map. You can change colors, how you want your colors, how strong, how good to see the contrast on the orders, and so on. You can play here around and check what fits best to you. Yes, so this is how you get the new heat map on ATAS. Very simple, really simple. And if you ask how you can get the widgets here, like pressure, market pressure, and so on, then you find it in widgets here, widgets, and then you see market pressure, this one. This market pressure, this is this here, the live pressure in the market. So there's some more. Here's like price change, dome pressure, and tilted variance, but they don't interest me so much. Only I'm interested in the market pressure. Really good. And what I like too is for you guys, the economic calendar. Like here, it's in German, it's Wirtschaftskalender, it's the economic calendar. And here I can see it's also in ATAS, and I can see here the economic news. Blue means not so important, yellow a little bit more important, and red or red and the flash, the red flash. This means it's really important news. Red or red. These are the economic news, what's important for your trading, because when you're at the time, so I look at my time and see, oh, there's some economic news, then stop trading, make a pause, let it happen, and after that, after 5 or 10 minutes, and then you can trade again. Yes.